Let me guess. You've had those moments where you say something and the room goes silent. Or maybe you overthink every word before you speak, afraid of embarrassing yourself. Social situations feel like a minefield for you, and it seems like everyone else knows the rules except you. What if I told you that social confidence isn't something you are born with? It's something that everyone can build with practice. Today, I'm giving you a step-by-step system to eliminate awkwardness forever and become socially smooth in any situation. And if that sounds good, smash that like button. It helps the channel and tells YouTube to show this to more people who need it. Let's get into it. 1. Understanding why you're awkward. Most social awkwardness comes from overthinking and self-consciousness. You are stuck in your head, analyzing every little thing instead of actually being present. Here's the truth. People aren't paying as much attention to you as you think they are. They are too busy worrying about themselves. That's the truth. Think about the last time someone said something awkward around you, where the room went silent. Did you dwell on it all day? No, you moved on. That's how other people treat your awkward moments too. So fix number 1, shift your focus outward. The next time you're in a conversation, focus on the other person instead of yourself. Notice their facial expressions, their tone, their body language. Actively listen instead of thinking about what you'll say next. The more you focus on the other person, the less you'll be stuck in your own head. 2, master small talk without sounding fake. Small talk isn't pointless, like a lot of people think it is. It's actually a social warm-up. It gets people comfortable before deeper conversations happen. Here's a simple 3-step formula to make small talk natural. You can practice this anywhere. I do this one, or I used to do this one a lot in grocery stores every day. Give a compliment plus observation. For instance, that's a cool jacket. Where'd you get it? This place over here has the best coffee. Have you ever had it? 2, ask a simple open-ended question. What's been the highlight of your week so far? Or maybe, how do you know so-and-so, the person who maybe introduced you to? 3, share something about yourself so they don't feel like they're being interviewed, like even the playing field. Like, I've been trying new coffee spots lately. This one's my favorite so far. How about you? And if this is helping you, hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow, and I appreciate it the more you guys do it. 3, the number 1 social skill. What is that? Storytelling. You gotta get good at storytelling if you want to have great conversations. It keeps conversations alive. So you want to know what separates the magnetic, socially confident people from the awkward ones? They know how to tell stories. Most awkward people just state facts. Like, for instance, I went to New York last summer. That's boring. Instead, paint a visual picture. For instance, I got lost in New York at 2 a.m. and this sketchy guy, he gave me directions. Turned out he was actually a Broadway actor on his way home from a show. Do you see the difference? A good story has 1, a setup. I was in New York last summer. 2, a conflict, a twist. I got lost and the sketchy guy offered to help. 3, a resolution. Turns out he was actually a Broadway actor. Crazy, right? Start using mini stories in your conversations, and people will naturally lean in and want to talk to you more. It leaves the conversation open. 4, so what's the secret to instantly looking more confident? If you struggle with awkwardness, chances are your body language is making it worse. Here's a quick confidence hack. Fix your posture. Stand tall, shoulders back, chest slightly out. Make eye contact, but don't stare like a psychopath. Hold eye contact for 3 to 4 seconds before looking away. Slow your movements. Fidgeting makes you look nervous. Slow, deliberate movements signal confidence. Test this. The next time you walk into a room, slow down your movements by 20%. You'll instantly feel more in control. 5, the biggest mistake awkward people make. What is that? A lot of people try to fix their awkwardness by acting like someone they are not. They force jokes, pretend to be extroverted, or fake confidence. But people can smell inauthenticity from a mile away. Instead, own your personality. If you are naturally quiet, that's fine. Use it as a strength. Some of the most charismatic people are the calm, mysterious types. Confidence isn't about being loud, it's about being comfortable in your own skin. 6, how to never run out of things to say. Have you ever got stuck in awkward silence? We all have. Here's a game changer. Use the simple force method. Not Star Wars, but it's still powerful. Force. What does it stand for? Family, occupation, recreation, current events, entertainment. Force. Let's break it down. Family. Ask these questions. Family. Do you have siblings? Occupation. What do you do for work? Recreation. What do you do for fun? Current events. Did you hear about whatever interesting news story or whatever is happening? Entertainment. Been watching any good shows lately? This gives you infinite conversation starters, so you are never stuck again in silence on not knowing what to say or ask. At the end of the day, social awkwardness isn't a life sentence like a lot of you think. It's a skill you can improve step by step. Shift your focus outward. Stop overthinking. Master small talk. Use the 3-step formula. Tell stories, don't just state facts. Fix your body language. Slow down, stand tall. Use the force method. Never run out of things to say. The only way to get better is to practice. So the next time you're in a social situation, apply just one of these tips. I do this in grocery stores. This is how I got really, really good at it, was at grocery stores. With random strangers, be walking down aisles, shopping, doing what I had to do, and at least one person, male or female, I would give a compliment to. Quick, simple, nice dress, nice shoes, your hair looks great, whatever it is. It's easy to gain practice and start getting better each and every day. And this will force you to start growing more and start reaching out into other conversations, and you'll get better and better. So if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, and I will check you in the next one.